This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 106 of Building Kit from Knight Rider. This is the final delivery, final issue in this delivery, so we'll be getting on with it. We'll be putting the final part of the interior of the trunk together after looking at Hills of Fire. Yeah, again, no memory at all of this episode. I know I've watched them all at some point, but not recently. Not for, well, 30 years, 40 years, maybe, or it's been a while. But yeah, feel free to look at all the words and the pictures in your own time, and then come back and watch the build. We're going to be continuing with the interior piece, putting the extra bits on there like we did last time, the white bit and the little clip, and then installing that into the body, and then fitting the final bits, the hydraulic supports to the trunk lid. That's that. Let's get it all together and see how it's all going to work. So yeah, let's clear this all out of the way and let's get the build underway. So starting off just the same as we did last time, we've got the part that we did before with the hydraulics attached. Now we've got to attach the little hook onto the white panel. Now this is a better shape than the other one. It's a proper D-shaped indent, hole. So that should go in nice and easy. I say should go in really nice and easy without any hassle at all. And it's almost there. It's not far off where it should be. Just get that pushed in a little bit more securely. There we go. So that is that. So that's going to go onto there just the same as it did before on the other side, all lined up and attached. There's two screws that need to hold that in place. I shall get those out and sorted, and then we'll see just how that goes together. It's going to be, say, basically the same again. So the first screw will go in and hold that where it needs to be. As ever, when you're putting in multiple screws into the same part, it's always a good idea not to tighten up the first one fully. Always get them all in and make sure everything lines up properly before you have to worry about tightening everything up or tightening everything down, depending on which way you want to word it. So there we go. Let's get that one in and in tight and secure. The other one's okay. Let's go. Right, next up, we've got the seatbelt to attach. Exactly the same as the other side, so nothing new to add with that. Single screw, go through there. I'll put the screws aside for later. At the end of the month, I tidy up all of the spare screws and put them all aside. Occasionally, I've had to delve into my spares supply and use the extra screws, but not very often. It's always good to have them just in case. So that goes through there, easier than last time. See, things are working as intended. So that's going to go through there, and the screw will just pop in. That's secure. Wonder if I can get that in without making a hole in it this time. If I get it lined up properly, then it'll be easy. If and only if that's not quite where it should be. Try that again. There we go. Once that's lined up properly, we'll tighten up down there, and then it will very nearly be time to attach this into the body of the car. So let's clear everything out of the way, bring in the body, and we'll see how it all goes together. Okay, that's the body of the car. That's ready to go in. It should be easier this side because there's no extra wires to worry about or anything else. So that should go in pretty much like that. We've obviously got to get the other end attached into the back panel. And that's the extra bracket that we had to attach for some reason. It wasn't molded on. That's got to go on there. So getting everything lined up and connected. It will go. I might have to do this off camera just to get everything lined up and clipped in at the front there, but we'll see. I've got the 3 screws in there and one to go across the back bit to hold that in place, but let me see if I can do that off camera. Yep, there we go. That's all that together and in, all attached. Once again, the middle screw was proving to be a problem, so it's all held in place securely enough with all the rest, so I'm not worried about that. So now we just need to get these hydraulic supports attached, one at either side. They attach quite far back and quite close to the rear. I don't know. I mean, it obviously is correct and how it works, but it just doesn't seem quite right. I'd rather have it the other way around. But that's that, all attached and connected. Not easy to do on camera, so apologies for that. But there we go. It works. They're both attached and both hold it open, and indeed at any position in between. You can have it half open if you so desire. But when it's all shut, it looks just about right. I'm happy with that. It works, it clips down properly, it goes well. It's all held together. I do like that quite a lot. So that is that. Another issue complete, another month complete, in fact, ready for next time. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you soon for more very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.